Welcome back. Beautiful day, Gorilla Man's Garage. We're outside, nice and dry, blue sky. Great day for flying drones. Also a great day to look at the gutters on the house. Okay, we've got the DJI Mini 3 standard. We've got a 40-volt leaf blower, and we've got a Greenworks Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit. So we're going to put all that together. We're going to go up with a drone, have a look. Then we're going to put that leaf gutter cleaner kitty, whatever it is, put that together and see if that's any good, and we'll do a review on that one. So today, that's what we're going to do. We're going to try and clean out the gutters a little bit. Let's get into it. We're back. Here we go. We've got the DJI Mini 3 Standard Edition. We're going to get it up and have a look at the eaves troughs, okay? Nice and slow. There's a bunch there. That's where the downspout is. Oh, look at that. Okay, here we are. What do we got next? Let's put this universal gutter kit together. What is it? Hi guys. Basically, it's just a bunch of tubes. So we're going to get them all put together. We're going to attach it to this. My 40-volt Ryobi blower. And it comes with this little sleeve that will attach to almost anything. It's a really robust system. Very well made. So we're going to try it out, okay? Might be a little difficult like this and trying to hold 11 feet. Maybe we'll just go with 3 instead of 4. Let's see what happens. So let's put it together. Here we go. This is the bottom. We're going to put 3, okay? So we just 1, 2, and 3. And we have the end piece here. We're just going to go and see if it fits up here. Yeah, maybe. Turbo. Well, what do you think? I don't know. So I'm going to get the drone up and I'm going to do a little bit down here from overhead, get it hovering down and go along a little bit and see if you can see that. I got covered in dust. It's not that easy. It does work, I guess. You really need 2 people, probably better. 1 to guide the stick properly and 1 to hold the the leaf blower. But this leaf blower, 40-volt Ryobi with a 40-volt battery, the big battery, 6 amp, it's pretty heavy to do a lot with 1 hand. Okay. I tell you, that's not easy. 2 people, be great. Let's put this stuff away, have a look at the video, and we'll get back to you. Welcome back. How was all that? Yeah, I wasn't quite happy with the editing and all that, and I found some other things that really worked a lot better with that gutter cleaning kit, okay? And I'll show you it right here. What I did was I duct taped the solid section into the leaf blower, and I was able to hold it all with 1 hand. And as you can see, I can walk down the side, 1 hand, no problem. I actually did the whole 2 sides of the house. It was great. Then I went up with the drone to see how good of a job I did. And if you go back a little bit, you'll see that when I did do the original one, I kind of missed a few spots, okay? This time, look at this. It's going backwards, but look at this. The whole thing. It's great. It's absolutely great. So it did a really wonderful job. So a little bit of a modification, worked great. I'll put a link below for the actual kit, the Greenworks kit from Amazon. Do I advise getting it? If there's any more kits and you think one's better, let me know. This worked great for me. I got it as a gift for Christmas last year, so I thought I'd give it a shot. And to me, I can modify it and it works really, really good. Okay. What else is there? That's about it. Remember, I'm not affiliated to anybody. I don't get any freebies unless my kids or my family give me something for Christmas or birthday. I don't promote things because they're given to me, because they don't give me anything. A lot of them don't like what I have to say about the products either, but that's just the way it is, right? So if you feel so inclined, just buy me a coffee. Okay, don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.